Welcome to the vlog.
It's me and him.
I'm Bryant. She's Stella.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm making us some chili dogs right now, which is kind of interesting. Not really. Everything comes in packages. Chili dogs are one of the easiest things to make, so as long as you have all the ingredients.
So what makes it interesting?
Oh, I really like hot dogs.
Oh.
Allergies.
I have allergies.
I don't have allergies.
You mean allergies?
I don't have that either.
Anyways, what do we have planned for today? I think we might watch The Quiet Place, because Stella's been wanting to watch that, and I think it's going out of theaters soon. What do you have to say, Oswald? Oh, no, we're just getting your butt. Hey, buddy, the camera wants you. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're a superstar.
It tastes really good. I feel like you've just been willy-nilly drinking it, like big old gulps like you do. Because this is the water from Hot Springs, Arkansas.
I think they've seen me drink out of this. If it looks bigger, it's because it is bigger. That one's mine. Well, that used to be mine, but then I gave that to Stella so she could have cold water, and this one's the one I use. But I haven't used this since we came back because we put hot spring water in it.
Over the winter, we went to Hot Springs
and that vlog, which will be here if you haven't seen it already. It looks like breakfast or lunch or whatever this is supposed to be is ready. What are you doing?
I'm giving you the crunch of cheese.
Let's get that chili pour shot.
We are at guess. Come here. Because I want to show them. Like, this is the most. We're parked over here, but okay.
What's up?
This is the most we've ever been here.
Yeah, we're done now. Dinner time. What do we got going on here?
It really look good.
It's a nice brown. We got some egg noodles, some pork, shoulder, country rib, whatever. And we decided to watch a movie again. Okay, we finished eating. Stella has decided that we should do the lights today. Oh, okay, then you don't want to do the lights?
You decided we're going to do the
Whoa,
lights
it's like
today.
12 o'clock.
I know that.
Oh. Oh, if you couldn't tell, we didn't watch Quiet Place.
Yeah, we spent too long at Home Depot.
Yeah, so maybe tomorrow.
We can do
I
it
think we
now.
should do the lights. I mean, I want to do the lights. It shouldn't take us too long. Are you ready?
We watched one video on YouTube and he thinks we're ready and know how to solder.
Oh yeah, I'm not very good at soldering. So Stella's gonna try it this time. She'll be much better.
We need those little clippy hands.
It's okay, I'll hold the solder.
You'll be the clippy hands?
It's called helping hands.
Helping hands?
Yeah. How long do you think it'll take us?
No!
I didn't give it time this time. I've learned my lesson.
We're gonna do just one because I'm pretty sure this will take us forever.
Alright, for this lengthening project, we'll need a lamp that we're gonna use, extra lamp cord, and we're gonna be using a switch.
If you're wondering, because this will really bug me, this lamp cord is nice and black. The lamp cord we bought, also nice and black. However, this lamp switch is brown.
It really looks just the same. Barely tell a difference. It's very dark brown. The reason we're using a switch is because like that one up there, right there, that one is well, it's higher than Stella's reach, so we're gonna put it at a lower height for her. Also, I learned in reading the instructions for this inline switch that cords have different sides. One is ribbed and one is rounded, or one is smooth and one is ribbed. So one here is squared and ribbed. This other side is rounded and smooth. I'll be over here. Efficient way to measure this all out, but you know. We probably need this much. Why is that funny?
Do you think because we have this extra bit of lots of
I
cords?
give extra just in case. Well, also because I asked for 36 feet, what I actually needed was like 15. So I have a lot of room for mistakes here. Here to here for your table, and here to, oh gosh, here to here for the lane. And then this extra cordage tacks onto that.
Okay, do we cut it now?
Give it an extra foot.
Okay, did we cut it now?
Well, I am going to measure it one more
Oh my
time.
goodness. Are you committed?
Cut it. Wait, what are you? I was going to do that before you did it, but it took you a really long time to cut it, so then it was really delayed and lame. Alright, let's get the solder iron going.
Look what I've done.
Okay, what have you done?
I made them all into live.
Is that exciting?
Kind of.
Okay.
I can use so many cords.
Is this fun? You seem like you're having more fun than working with wood.
Do I do this? Do I need to adjust this? Oh, if I just put it in.
Well, luckily if you mess up, we have more cords. Alright, some heat shrink tube. That's how we do that.
Doing anything.
I used the tool. What do you mean?
Wait,
what did I do?
what did I do then?
I don't know what you did. Okay, well, you will do the rest of them.
Two, 4, 6,
8. Very delicate procedure. It's an expert braider.
8.
Stella has practiced with her hair for many years, prepping her for this very moment when she would need to combine 2 wires together. Okay, and then we just slide this on, and then we're done. Now you solder. Okay, you ready? Stella is beginning her soldering journey. And again, the reason Stella's doing this is because I haven't done this very well in the past. So Stella might be doing a better job, and we're just gonna find out and see if she does. Hopefully she does. Stella seems to be having some difficulties. Maybe I should be doing this. Are you getting anything to happen?
No.
Well, maybe it's not hot enough.
How's it going, honey?
It's not.
How satisfied are you?
Very satisfied. Yes. See it now. See, you were doing it wrong earlier. Now you're doing it right. See what we got here. And turn on.
You pretty proud?
I mean, I knew how it worked. I expected it to work. But yeah, it's always exciting when things work.
Don't
Hello.
we look different?
Yeah. It's because we showered.
Oh.
No, I like the color on this one better because we have more light now. Allows us to reduce the ISO, so there should be less noise to the picture quality.
So why don't we show them the light?
Yeah, here's the light. There's one light. There is another light. And then there's the last light over there. So Stella's gotten pretty proficient at soldering.
Well, you tried one,
And then,
you
well,
were super impatient.
we had the biggest issue because the temperature wasn't set right. because I don't solder very often. We've installed all the switches. Everything's good. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up the
Cord
cable management. Of course, our favorite.
Your favorite.
I think that's it. Happy with all the lights. So I hope you enjoyed watching us. I hope you enjoy this new newfound color you got going on here, and hopefully less granular in the picture quality. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Till then, come back next time.
Good night.
Good night. Thanks again for watching.